Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to earn money online in Pakistan. Pakistan is a country with a large population, and many people are interested in finding ways to earn money online. In this video, we're going to share some methods that you can use to make money online in Pakistan. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to earn money online in Pakistan. You can offer your skills and services to clients all over the world through freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can provide services like writing, graphic designing, web development, video editing, and more. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is another great way to earn money online in Pakistan. You can offer your tutoring services to students around the world through platforms like Chegg, tutor.com, and Skooli. You can teach subjects like math, science, English, and more. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a method where you promote other people's products and earn a commission when someone buys through your unique affiliate link. You can sign up for affiliate programs with companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. Blogging. Blogging is a way to make money online by creating content on a specific topic that people are interested in. You can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You can start a blog for free on platforms like WordPress or Blogger. YouTube. YouTube is another platform where you can make money online in Pakistan. You can create videos on topics that you're passionate about and monetize your channel through ads and sponsorships. You can also promote your products and services on your YouTube channel. These are just a few methods that you can use to earn money online in Pakistan. Remember, it takes time and effort to build an online business, but with persistence and hard work, you can achieve success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on making money online.